So here's that little bit of that Hey Joe different chords. So we got our regular chords, our C, G, D, A, E. Right? So a cool way that we can actually play this is we can play this with inversions, right? So right? So what we can do here is we can play a first inversion C major chord. So that is taking the 7th fret on the A string, and then on the D and G string at the 5th fret, and then we just play 5, 4, 3. And then we can go to our G major chord, so our triad, what I like to call the ladder, 2, 3, 4. So 3rd fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, D string. And then very Hendrix thing to do is to grab the bass note at the 3rd fret, low E, and then he does this cool technique where he hammers on to the major 3rd. So, and then now what we do is we take this same shape that we just played here for that C, move it up a whole step, and then that gives us our D over F sharp. And then the next chord after that, that G that we played here, the ladder, we just move that up a whole step now. And then we got our regular E major chord. So we got whatever you want to do. There for just, your E minor pentatonic. And then, so it doesn't have to be the exact, same rhythm every time. So you can just kind of mess around with it. Right? And then for that part where it goes, so what I'm doing here is I'm just doing a chromatic run. So I'm hitting the low open E, so I'm just going chromatically on the low E and the A string, open 1, 2, 3, open 2. And then for the solo part, Hendrix, all he did was he played some main riffs, but then he also just improv, right? So the main part of that solo is taking this 15th fret here at the B string here, and you bend it up a whole step, and then you bring it down, and then to the 12th fret, and then, so after you go here, and then what I'm doing here is I'm bending up slightly to the minor 3rd, and then on the G string, and then G at the 12th fret, and then taking the D string at the 14th fret and adding a little bit of vibrato. You know, so you can kind of mess around with that, but and yeah, so it's kind of cool. So you can just mess around with the regular